Let us see now how to create a class and create an object. So to create a class you should write class and the class name the ent. So always remember that class name should start with capital letter. Don't forget, this is a must. The class name should always start with a capital letter. So now we are creating a class student, let us say. Now let us define some method. Let us say welcome. What is the function of this class? It's just and end the function, end the class. So now we have created a class with a single function which prints this string output. Now let us create an object. Let us say s1 for student1 is equal to student dot new. Now we have created a object s1. We have created a object. So it is giving the memory address where it has been stored, so don't worry about it. So now we have created s1 as a object. Now we can access all the methods attributes of this class. So we have only one function method defined here, which is welcome. So now we can call s1 dot welcome. So it will print welcome to the school. Let us create some meaningful so that you can understand better. Let us say class student. Now let us define method define address puts North California. Let us say something 2-3 street 12 something end. Now let us define one more address like tuition fees. Let us say fees puts, let us say fees is equal to $4500 end. Let us create one more like def subjects. Let us put something. There are 4 subjects, or we can list the subjects whatever we wish. End. Now we have created a class with some functions like 3 functions: address, fees and subject. Now student1 is equal to stu capital letter, first one should be capital letter, don't forget, dot new. Now new object is created. Now we can access the address address. Let us say North California, this one is the address. So now I want to get the fees. Fees is 4500. Okay, now I want to know the subjects. There are 4 subjects. So like this we can create a object, create a class. Hope you understood. Try to create your own class of your own thoughts. So in the next video we will be seeing further more about class and objects. Until then, keep practicing. Meet you in the next video.